stoned, I stay high. I'm always gonna be smoking on these daddies, man. When this is straight daddies, no poison. Y'all know when it's time for me to get Vise nice, what I'm gonna do, mix poison with daddies, I'm going insane. People mention the name that the media gave them to call me. I stopped saying daddy. I was smoking on dope. Guys get me high. I'm smoking on daddies and wax and new rocks. I'm making a way for myself. Cause I'm really self-made. I know why everybody gonna hate. So many niggas and jealous men. Like what? Like how this lifestyle ain't a game. I've been jacking the same shit for a decade now, man. Don't mention me in none of that game shit. I ain't blood, I ain't crip, I ain't folk, I ain't none of it. I'm strictly moto. Ask around, they could tell you about it. GussyMoto. People really wanna know why I ain't go though. Shorty on her knees, digging to me, you don't gotta look up. I'ma keep smoking on these daddies. I ain't for the argument, fussing and fighting. Think about what you doing, this my life, you can't control it. I'm just trying to help and elevate, evolve everybody around me, man. I gotta keep running up the funds. I got generation nutrition, I'm trying to break this shit ain't easy, man. I'ma keep saying free my bigger brother till you back next to me, man. Let people rock. I don't want to take another life. People try to provoke and try to trick me on my spot. I'm truly humble and mentally stable. I'm just thinker, they don't like that. You can't contradict me out of my spot. I'm living my life the way I like. I do what I want since a young kid. That's why I know a lot of people sick. When I got hit, they thought I was in town. I know a lot of people ain't know how to count. People wonder why I was still outside when I was supposed to be in the crib getting better, man. I was still up, rolling around, doing what I want. Now I'm on my 10, I don't give no fucks. Lifestyle I live, this is not a game. I've been jacking the same shit for a decade now, man. It's the motorway. I stay smoking daddies, stay saying I'm at peace. I know a lot of people hate, jealous, and envious, man. They could go the other way, but if they don't move right, they won't get left, man.